Hey fam bam, it's Sienna. Today we're doing a review, not of clothing, no. Not of makeup, no. Not of hair products, no. Okay, so today we're doing a review of a lighting apparatus. It's a ring light, I'll show it to you. Okay, we're gonna be reviewing the Tonor 12-inch ring light, because I have a ring light right now that I use all the time. I just use one simple ring light. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is my ring light and my camera is right behind it so that you can see what I use. I have a tripod and that's basically it. Very, very simple. I don't know the size of this one. I want to say this one is like a 20-inch or somewhere around there. So the ring light we are trying today is much smaller than this one. Okay, let's jump right into it because I'm dying to see what this ring light is going to look like. It's more for those of you who want to use your iPhone because it has like a little stand for your iPhone. The ring light that I use right now has absolutely no stands attached to it. It's literally just the light on a light stand without like a phone holder or a camera holder or anything like that. 12-inch ring light kit. And you can get this on Amazon. See, I believe that this is the tripod. There's a little booklet in here. I'm gonna show you like how to set it up and everything. I'm just gonna figure it out. Okay, here's our light. It's extremely lightweight. I love that. Oh my God, this would be amazing for travel. Let's hope that it's bright. Then it also comes with your phone holder. This is what's gonna hold your cell phone. Oh, look at this, you guys. It comes with one of those little remote controls that you can press to take pictures for yourself. I love that. Let's try to assemble this bitch. Oh, someone's texting me. I mean, this is probably pretty simple. Let's just open this up. Might be self-explanatory and I don't even need the directions. All right, this comes with a little case. Fabulous. Oh my God, it's like a little backpack. Okay. All right, well, the tripod feels actually like a decent quality. This is kind of shocking. I'll reveal how much this costs at the end. So I'm just extending out. You just flip it and then it opens up and then you close the latch. So there's 3 different sections that open up and close. Actually pretty tall. And then it has a swiveling head. You can move around. Okay. I might actually have to look at the directions for a second. Actually, wait. This is the thing that attaches to here. But can you take this off? Yes, you can. Ah, I see. Okay, so there's a screw at the bottom. You can take that off. Screw it onto the bottom of your light, and then this is going to screw here onto the light. This is actually really simple. I don't even need the directions. And then that's for your phone. Oh my God, how cute! Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to get it back in here. There we go. Press it in. We're all set up. Oh my God, this is so light, you guys. This is insanely light, which I love. Okay guys, sorry, my camera just shut off. I had to move a little bit, so we're a slightly different angle because I needed an extension cord to reach for this. Will they stop texting me? I mean, seriously. This is Nicole here, in case you guys are wondering. So this comes with a USB cable. So you have to plug that into a box or something to then plug it into the wall. So I'm gonna attach this to an extension cord. Okay, and now we're ready to find out if this is bright or not. There's a controller on the side, which has a plus, minus, and a power button. Oh, okay. Okay, so it does dim. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera very well, but it's dim, and now it's getting brighter, brighter, brighter. All right. Is this one as bright as the one I have? No, it's not gonna be because it's so small, but I will show you what it looks like next to the ring light that I have. Okay, so there's my big ring light, and there's my mini ring light. Ling light? I'm just gonna call it a ling light. There's Nicole. She came to visit. Okay, so this one is obviously quite smaller but this one is much, much heavier, and this one could travel with me, which is fantastic. Also, I could get 2 of these and put them on either side of this ring light and have more light so it would look even better. Maybe I'll do that actually. Okay, so I'm going to compare the difference of the 2 lights, the bigger one and the smaller one, and see if that one is even close to being comparable to the larger one that I have. So I'm gonna put it in the exact same spot right now. I'm gonna move this ring light, turn it off, and put the smaller one in its place, and we'll see the difference in the lighting, and then I'll put them side by side so that you can see the difference. Okay, so now I've moved it. This is the smaller Tonor 12-inch ring light that is on me right now. I turned off the other ring light, and this one is very clean and small and doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's very easy to store and take around your house, which is a plus. I can't tell very well on my little thumbnail what exactly it looks like compared to the other one. Here I will put the 2 things side by side so that you can see the difference between the bigger ring lighting and the new Tonor 12-inch small ring light, and to see if there is that much of a difference in the lighting. I can tell that this one isn't as bright, obviously, because like I said, it is much smaller, but for its size, I think it packs a good punch, especially because it is only, here's the reveal, $39.99. So for 40 bucks, you're getting this really great little ring light that can travel with you anywhere. And it's a lot cheaper than the other ones. I think I paid, I wanna say between 75 to 100 for the larger light that I have. And that was without the stand, I think. Maybe it came with a stand. Guys, it was so long ago, I can't even remember. But if you look online, most of them are between $75 to $100 for the larger ring lights. So this is actually, looks great on the thumbnail that I'm looking at on my little monitor. But for what it is, this is great. I mean, you could definitely take this, we could go on our trip and take this with us. Yeah. Nicole's going on a trip with me. We're gonna check out Phoenix, Arizona. I've never been there before, so this is the type of ring light that we could take with us to take pictures. Maybe we should take this with us. It's so cute. Let me see what it looks like with my iPhone. Soup's cute.
Soups.
Looks amazing. Okay, let's put the iPhone in there. Maybe you gotta set up Bluetooth on my phone. Is that how it works? Oh, it's on. Okay, so it's flashing. Would like to pair. Oh my God, it's pairing. Let's see how this does. Oh, camera, that's the button you press when you wanna take the picture, right? Open this up. Okay, she expands. She expands, ladies and gentlemen. And let's take a picture. Ah, just took the picture. Little things excite me. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what video looks like. And it's taking video, all with the press of a button. This is great! I love this!
Like solo YouTubers who don't have camera people.
This is absolutely perfect for new YouTubers coming out who don't want to buy an entire huge camera system or anything like that. Literally all you need is this one $40 ring light and your iPhone. Hello, this is everything. Like, had I had this back in the day, I mean, I wouldn't have even needed to get an entire $1,500 DSLR, $800 lens. I mean, dang. I mean, it looks great, but you know, you don't need it. You don't need it. Love it. I mean, we're good to go. I love this. This is, okay, let's stop it. And it stopped, okay. Then I just pull this out. Perfect. And this is bendable. This part bends any which way so that you can, you know, get the angle that you need. Ooh, well, that's a cool look. And how do you, this raises up and down too. Oh my God, that's even easier. I didn't even realize. This part raises up and down on its own. So you can loosen it right here, and then this part can go up, down, whatever. And it has a level on it. There's a little level right here so that you can tell if it is perfectly straight. So you guys, I actually think that this is a huge win. This is fantastic for anybody on a budget or anybody that wants to travel or just likes small equipment. Maybe you don't have space to put a big camera and a big light, and it looks really nice. I am not mad at it at all. Success! I love it. Make sure that you check the link below if you're interested in getting this cute little ring light. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in another video really soon. Love you. Bye.